Number 1. Pollination is the transfer of pollens from A. anther to stigma, B. stigma to anther, C. sepal to petal, or D. petal to sepal. And correct answer is A. anther to stigma. Number 2. Rhizopus reproduces asexually by A. binary fission, B. spore formation, C. endospore formation, or D. budding. And correct answer is B. spore formation. Number 3. Asexual reproduction in yeast takes place by A. fragmentation, B. spore formation, C. binary fission, or D. budding. And correct answer is D. budding. Number 4. Plant reproduces by stem tuber is A. onion, C. garlic, D. potato, or D. ginger. And correct answer is B. potato. Number 5. Fourth word of flower is A. calyx, B. androecium, C. corolla, or D. gynoecium. And correct answer is D. gynoecium. Number 6. Animal which is not able to reproduce during the month of summer, A. cat, B. rabbit, C. dog, or D. monkey. And correct answer is B. rabbit. Number 7. Calyx is the outermost whorl of flower and bears the color A. red, B. green, C. blue, D. white. And correct answer is B. green. Number 8. Sperm and fluid collectively called A. hormones, B. semen, C. follicle, or D. scrotum. And correct answer is B. semen. Number 9. The number of drug addicts in Pakistan is currently estimated to be A. 5 lakh, B. 6 lakh, C. 7 lakh, or D. 8 lakh. And correct answer is A. 5 lakh. Number 10. The optimum temperature for the germination of seeds of most plants ranges from A. 20 to 30 degrees C, B. 25 to 35 degrees C, C. 25 to 30 degrees C, or D. 20 to 25 degrees C. And correct answer is C. 25 to 30 degrees C. Number 11. A comb develops into new garlic plant. This process of reproduction is called A. vegetative propagation, B. meiosis, C. gametogenesis, or D. regeneration. And correct answer is A. vegetative propagation. Number 12. Parts of flower which changes into fruit, A. ovule, B. petals, C. ovary, or D. anther. And correct answer is C. ovary. Number 13. After ripening, ovary changes into A. seed, B. fruit, C. flower, or D. nectar. And correct answer is B. fruit. जाने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं और अब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाले नए लेक्चर्स के बारे में अलर्ट्स मिलते रहें।